Number 1. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,900, finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior. It features an automatic transmission and a reliable 4x4 drivetrain. With 249,000 miles on the odometer, the truck has clearly seen regular use, but it remains in great condition for its age. A new engine was installed and currently has only 25,000 miles on it, ensuring dependable performance for years to come. The truck has been serviced consistently, reflecting the care it has received over the years. This Chevrolet 1500 stands as a testament to long-term ownership and responsible maintenance. Number 2. 1994 GMC 1500, price $10,000. This is an outstanding example of a well-maintained and tastefully modified truck. With only 20,000 miles on the odometer, it features an automatic transmission and a clean white exterior that complements its overall sharp and rust-free appearance. The truck has been significantly upgraded, including a professionally built 400 engine with Pro-Comp aluminum heads, a big cam, long tube headers, and a full exhaust system that gives it an aggressive yet refined sound. It also comes equipped with forged internals and a 700R transmission paired with a 3000 stall converter, offering both strength and performance. The interior is in excellent condition, matched by a high-quality paint and bodywork that truly stands out in person. The truck rides on brand new 20-inch wheels and tires, and features a nice stereo system, fully functional lights and wipers, and hot heat for colder days. Everything works as it should, and it comes with a clean Tennessee title. This vehicle must be seen and heard in person to fully appreciate its quality and character. Number 3. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, finished in sleek black with a clean gray interior. This truck has been driven 168,000 miles and comes with a clean title. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a carbureted 350 engine paired with a 700R4 transmission. According to the previous owner, the motor is freshly built with a .30 over bore, ported and polished Vortec heads, dish pistons, a 242/242 cam, and a new Edelbrock Avias 2 carburetor. The truck starts, runs, and drives well. It's been fitted with brand new tires on all four corners and sits on a Beltec 5.7 lowering kit, which provides a surprisingly smooth ride for a lowered vehicle. Number 4. 1985 GMC 2500, price $6,000, an old farm truck that's still going strong. This dependable workhorse has only 81,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. It comes in a clean white exterior and is powered by the legendary 6.2L diesel engine. The truck is equipped with a 100-gallon diesel tank complete with a pump, as well as a built-in toolbox, perfect for anyone needing a reliable rig for the job site or farm. A rebuilt fuel injector is included and just needs to be installed. Several recent repairs and replacements have already been taken care of, including a new flywheel, a rebuilt fuel pump, a new starter, fresh glow plugs, and 2 brand new batteries. This GMC 2500 is a solid, ready-to-work truck that won't last long at this price. Number 5. 1996 Ford F350, price $7,000, powered by the legendary 7.3L Powerstroke turbo diesel engine and features a Dana 60 solid front axle, 4-speed automatic transmission, manual transfer case, and locking front hubs, making it a strong and reliable workhorse. Factory equipped with a retractable gooseneck hitch and trailer brake controller, it's ready for towing. It also comes with a Pioneer Bluetooth radio, Bilstein shocks, AFE power cold air intake with air dam, and a 6-position switch for adjustable engine tuning. Other highlights include a steel grille protector, cold-blowing AC, and a block heater for cold starts. Recent maintenance includes a rebuilt transmission and a new starter. Service records are available, showing consistent care and upkeep. Number 6. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, with 174,000 miles on the body. It features a gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Despite its age, this truck has received extensive care and upgrades. The engine and transmission were recently replaced and have only 5,000 miles on them, ensuring strong and reliable performance. Additionally, many new components have been installed, including all new steering components, a power steering pump, a gearbox, water pump, intercooler, thermostat, alternator, and ball joints. The truck also boasts a custom interior and comes fitted with a Jensen pop-out radio, adding both comfort and modern convenience. All receipts for the work done are available, reflecting the owner's commitment to maintenance and quality. Number 7. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior, and is powered by a 350 small block Chevy engine mated to a 700R4 automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and performs smoothly in all aspects. It starts easily, runs strong, drives well, and stops reliably. In fact, the current owner regularly takes it on both the interstate and around town without issue. Inside, the truck is equipped with a newer model seat, durable rubber flooring, and a mint-condition headliner, offering a practical yet comfortable cabin. While the dashboard does show a few cracks, overall the interior remains solid and functional. On the outside, it rides on deep-dish rims wrapped in great tires, enhancing both the truck's appearance and performance. With its dependable mechanics and clean presentation, this Chevy 1500 stands as a trustworthy classic ready for daily use or job site duty. Number 8. 1982 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,000. This is a classic pickup with just 36,000 miles. It features a blue exterior and matching interior, a 4-speed manual transmission, and a strong 350 V8 gasoline engine. The truck runs and drives, with factory AC, currently not working, power steering, and power brakes. The entire front end has just been rebuilt with new upper and lower control arms, shocks, front and rear, springs, tie rods, adjuster sleeves, idler arm, pitman arm, redhead steering box, and steering shaft. New front calipers and pads were also installed. Extras include window regulators, speedometer cable, and radiator hose. Clean title in hand. Number 9. 1970 Ford F150, price $7,500. With just 107,600 miles on the odometer, it features an automatic transmission and runs strong thanks to its reliable 360 V8 engine. The exterior is finished in timeless white, while the interior has been refreshed in sleek black, including a brand new seat, new carpet, and new door panels. It also boasts a new dash pad and headliner, which includes built-in speakers and a space for an aftermarket stereo system. Enhancing both performance and sound, the truck has been fitted with new long tube headers and a full exhaust system. It rides on brand new wheels and tires, and for added utility and style, a new hard roll-up tonneau cover has been installed. All electrical components are fully functional, including the dash lights, brake lights, turn signals, and cab light, making this F100 not only a head-turner but also road-ready. Powered by gasoline, this well-preserved truck combines classic looks with modern touches for a truly enjoyable driving experience. Number 10. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, with around 175,000 miles. It features a 305 V8 engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and no leaks. The clutch is solid, and everything works as it should. The interior is in great shape except for the dash, which is covered with a vinyl overlay. It has new tires on original rally wheels and a KN air filter as the only modification. The AC was converted but has since leaked down. The paint on the hood is chipped, and the roof has faded, typical for early 90s models, but the body is straight and rust-free, well maintained with extensive service records from the owner's father. Clean title in hand.